Hello everyone! Today I'll be demonstrating a Python script that converts spoken words into text using the speech recognition library. First, start by downloading the speech recognition library and the PyAudio library. This script starts by initializing the recognizer with speech recognition recognizer. The main function record text is designed to continuously listen for user input through the microphone. It uses adjust for ambient noise to minimize background noise. Then listens and captures audio input with the listen method. The captured audio is processed using Google Speed Recognition Service via Recognize Google to convert the audio into text. If any errors occur during this process, such as request error or unknown value error, they are handled gracefully to ensure the script keeps running. The recognized text is then passed to the output text function, which opens a file called output.txt. In append mode, writes the text followed by a new line and closes the file. This process is repeated in an infinite loop, ensuring continuous speech-to-text conversion and storage. This simple yet powerful script can be used for various applications such as automated transcription, voice-controlled applications, and more. Let's see it in action. So before starting, we should create the output.txt file here at the same location where we have our script. Then we're gonna launch our script. I'm gonna navigate to the path where I have my script. Hello, I hope you are doing good. If you enjoy this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. And now we're gonna see the results. So I hope you are doing good. If you enjoyed this channel, don't forget to subscribe and thank you. This is exactly what I said. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much.